This is where consistency really comes into play. So I'm going to look at the apprenticeship and then the mentorship program. So the apprenticeship program, paid structured training and career pathways. So what are we saying? We're saying what we offer, right? Now, mentorship program, experienced leaders guide every apprentice through challenges and growth. Now I'm confused because we're talking about apprentices under the mentorship program, right? So, just from here, if this is all I know about the organization and I come down here, now I'm a little bit confused about the differences between the apprenticeship program and the mentorship program. Another thing I would note is that there's no call to action in this section, right? So ideally, each one of these boxes would have some form of call to action. If I'm interested in learning more about the mentorship program, what do I do? Same thing with the apprenticeship program. Now we have community engagement. So direct outreach inside schools, veterans groups, and women's organizations. So what does this really mean? Is the community engagement to push people to the apprenticeship or the mentorship program? Why are you trying to engage in the community? It's not clear what the direct outreach is to support or to do, right? So if somebody comes here and they know nothing about the organization and this is the only section that they read, right? They see the header and then they scroll down and they go, okay, I want to see what you do. Community engagement. What does that mean? What are you advocating for? What are you trying to do? And then career placement, right? So who is eligible for career placement? This is people who go through the apprenticeship program. What's that path look like? And then just being consistent in terms of the wording. So here we say our network, right? But then it's talking about experienced leaders. So are these experienced leaders within the organization, outside the organization? This is not a complete sentence, right? But like this one is. So just cleaning up the wording so it's all consistent. We go into schools, veterans groups, and women's organizations to, share blank content, right? Experience. We have volunteer experienced leaders who guide those in the mentorship program through challenges and growth to qualify them for career placement, right? Something like that. And again, I'm sharing this without knowing anything beyond what's on the page. And so I might not be accurate in terms of all these program offerings, but hopefully that kind of shows the thought process for what we do and who we serve.